Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You guys must be wondering where I am at now. I am at a park. This is a very nice park. In this park we can make barbecue in this park, and this seeing a picnic we had. So this picnic we made barbecue and all. This picnic was very nice. We made this in this very nice park, and we also ate dinner here. We cooked and we ate. This park is Yas Gateway Park North. It is in Abu Dhabi. Now let's go into the video and see it. So now we are entering this park. This park has two sections. In one section we can play and all. The other section we can cook there. For example, we can make barbecue there, but they put two sections. So this way when we are cooking, that time we don't, if kids are playing, what if by mistakenly the kids touch the hot things and all. That's why they have separated it. They separate the park into two parts. Now we are going to be looking around the park. You guys can see it looks nice. That's a tower. Night time it will glow. It looks very nice. It is near highway, and also it has so much areas. Also you guys need to know this park is very big, and it's also very nice. If you guys like to go on long walks and all, you guys can come to this park. It's very nice. It's also near highway. It looks very nice. You guys can see the view from the, this is a view of when we are sitting in the car and see. It's very nice. That's the highway. Then you can see it's very green here. It's also a very nice place. It's very beautiful. There's also a restroom. In this restroom there are two, it's like one building, then two sides they have. First one side they have a restroom facility and also water facility, and it's very nice there. It's very neat. It's not like there is garbage here there. It's very neat and nice to go. Making barbecue, we cannot make it directly here. We should put it, you guys can see the pathway now. After the pathway there's a small gap. That place we can set it up, so it's far away from people. We are going to set our barbecue. Now we are gonna set our barbecue stand. It's ready. See? Now we are going to start a fire. So now it's ready. You guys can see the fire is out, but you can see the charcoal is still hot. Now it means we are ready to make our barbecue. It's ready now. Let's put the tray on it. So after we put the tray, we need to like this take. Like this, I have these three sticks for making barbecue. I am going to use these 4 sticks and make it. So I also bought chicken. So now we are going to put it like this, and we are going to put it on the tray like this. We are going to put it on the tray. Okay. Now the tray will be hot. I am going to keep it on the tray. Okay. 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 Now we are gonna be putting big pieces of chicken. I mean, like this we are going to put it. Like this we are going to put it here and there. To tell you guys about our barbecue stand, it has like this back side. You guys can see the gray color thing. It is for when we are making fire. It is very windy. So thanks to that gray color thing that's on the side, the fire didn't go out. It's staying because the wind cannot touch the fire. Because of it, it's protecting the fire from the wind like that. Now it's time to flip it.
Quick.
Okay. Also we can make it very quick, and you guys can see it looks very nice. It's ready very easily and fast. See, it's ready. It looks super yummy. Now let's really take them out one by one. Also you guys should be careful while you are going to make the barbecue, because there is open fire, and if you have a dress that's very long and not, it's be very easy for it to catch fire. So only big people should make it, not small kids should not stand near this fire. Transfer it to a plate. So it's ready. You guys can see. Now let's eat it. We ate kapos, chicken, mayonnaise, and we also ate vegetables. Very yummy. Rani?
I eat a leg piece. It's so delicious.
All the pieces are very yummy and delicious.
Yep. Me and my
Good taste, yummy.
Yes, good. Yeah.
It's very good.
Okay. Okay.
Now we finished eating. Now let's go and play on the playground. After eating, it's good to go for a little walk and all. So I'm going to go and play in the playground. Now let's go. It's not very near, it's a little far away. So it's like I went for a walk and I also played. You guys can see this is a view of the tower at night. It's super duper beautiful. So I also found these small round smileys. They have different shapes. These are called emojis, and you can sit and take photos on them. They're very nice. There are so many different emojis. It has different faces on each side. See, this has very nice faces. And also they are very good. You can sit on them and take a lot of photos. And play. You guys can see it's all very nice. You can climb. I climb now. I am going to sit in this chair. It's very nice to sit. And also there are so many different types of playing spots here. This we can climb. As you can see, it looks very nice. There are different things to climb and all. Then there is this big web. This is a very nice place. If you guys want, you can also visit. It's a very beautiful place. It's good to come out with your friends, and it's very nice place. we can go for a walk. It's very beautiful. There are so many cool things. Also in the playground there are stuff which is very beautiful, and it's also some things that are you can only find in this park, like some of the things you play on, like that. There are so many different unique things to play on there. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Hope you guys